Welcome again to my crypto channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the Trust Crypto Wallet extension on your browser. If you have been following the news lately, then you know how important it is to have complete control over your crypto. If you keep your assets on a centralized crypto exchange, they own the private keys to your assets and can take away your money anytime. Look at what happened with FTX, Celsius, Voyager, and many other exchanges that went bankrupt. Companies holding crypto for customers can make bad investments, and when they fail, there's no guarantee that clients will get their money back. That's why you should always store your crypto in a wallet that you own the private keys to. The Trust Wallet is, just like Metamask, a secure multi-chain crypto wallet that enables you to fully control your crypto and explore thousands of decentralized applications. Trust Wallet supports over 8 million tokens including Ethereum, Solana, Polygon Matic, BNB, and Avalanche. This browser extension complements Trust Wallet's mobile app, which is a popular crypto wallet with 10 million monthly active users globally. This browser extension is available for Chrome, Brave, Opera, and Edge, and because I use Chrome, we will install the Chrome extension. Click on Get Trust Wallet to go to the Chrome store and click on the Add to Chrome link to install the extension to your browser. If you already use the Trust Wallet on another device, you can import or recover your wallet with your secret seed phrase. But for this demo, we will create a brand new wallet, so click on Create a New Wallet. You can share your data with the developers, but you also have the choice to not share, which is the option that I prefer. Now we're going to set a password for the wallet. It needs to be at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase, a special character, and a digit. This password is used to protect your wallet and provide access to the browser extension. It cannot be reset and is separate from your mobile wallet. Let me put in my password twice, and when done, click the check mark box and proceed. Now it will show me a secret phrase containing 12 words. This seed phrase is something that you don't want to share with anybody, but because this is a demo wallet that I won't use, I will show it to you. Click on Start, click on Got It, and it will expose the 12-word seed phrase. This secret phrase is your only protection against hackers, so never share this with anybody. Write the 12 words down on a piece of paper in the exact order, and put it somewhere safe. You will need the phrase again if you reinstall your wallet in case something goes wrong. When done, click on Proceed, enter the 12 words in the right order and you can set the Trust Wallet as your default wallet. I'm not going to do this, because Metamask is my default wallet, so I will leave that option open. The wallet is now ready to use and you can add custom tokens to your wallet and send and receive crypto with a few clicks. You can also install different chains. Click on Settings, select Network, and choose the network to connect to. If you have crypto on exchanges and want to put your assets into a private wallet, the Trust Wallet will let you have complete access to your funds. Just be sure to not share your seed phrase with anyone. If you really want to play it safe, I highly recommend using a Ledger hardware wallet. The problem is that Ledger does not support the Trust Wallet, as far as I know, so you will need to use Metamask instead. If you know of a method to use a Ledger with the Trust Wallet, please leave it in the comments section below. I have a video tutorial on how to protect your Metamask wallet with a Ledger device on my channel, so check it out if you are interested. I will drop the video link below in the description. Remember to only buy a Ledger device from the original website. There are hackers on eBay selling second-hand ledgers, but these devices can be compromised to allow scammers to withdraw all your crypto, so don't buy your Ledger second-hand. Better safe than sorry. I will leave my Ledger referral link below. Feel free to use my link if you want to buy an original Ledger hardware wallet. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get a notification when I post a new video. Have a great day, and stay safe.